Don't buy cars from Al-Baha, they're all scammers.
Welcome to Rory's workshop. What are we doing today, Phil?
Hopefully not getting scammed.
We didn't get scammed in the last car.
No. It had potential to go that way.
It fell down quite rapidly, our talks. But what we're doing right now, apart from waiting for you to fly off.
I've got hair in my eyes, I've got flies flying around us.
Another guy is coming to meet us here with another car.
With another FJ.
With another FJ40. What does this one have that the other one doesn't? And this one doesn't?
This one has 2007 Nissan Patrol wheels.
Is it?
Or Patrol, or
Yeah.
whatever the pickup is that day.
And it has a winch.
It has a winch.
Join us, won't you?
And a roof rack.
And a rather long spade and a red light.
A very, that's a red light. Put on a red light. Yeah.
We'll see you in a sec. First sight of it, say, oh yeah.
I still stick it off.
Oh yeah, so he has. Oh yeah. Salam Ali.
How are you?
Oh, okay. Right, let's have a look around.
Welcome.
Ah, good, yeah. Salam Ali. Oh yeah. Okay. It's got the same rear hitch as me. Okay. Oh yeah. Chassis. Yes. It has one. Straight down to business. Like it's saying, oh, that's on deep. Oh yeah, that is on the The bearing is meant to turn.
That's a chassis.
Yeah, essentially.
Nothing crazy at that end. Anything up forward?
No, it doesn't look like it. I'll put the camera down.
Yeah, this
that's a bit, that's what I need to place.
cover
ايوه
اصلي
yeah
موجود.
yeah for
Yes,
ايوه yeah
كفر حق تويوتا
Yeah.
شركة
Yeah.
مو فيه موجود.
okay
This نيسان
yeah
2007.
Okay.
2007.
yeah 2007 yeah
This Nissan. This Tabriza.
yeah to push it out
Tabriza. أيوة.
yeah
That's spacer.
yeah
أقول لك.
oh yeah it looks okay. I'm gonna have a good look around it without the camera and I'll show you what I can see when I've seen it. So part of the test drive is we've come down to the river. We've come across a guy who's getting stuck and a guy who is stuck. We're trying to cover him, but someone's got Mafi Shui. Yeah.
So I just stroking it straight on.
Huh?
Just stroking it straight on.
Oh, that's all right. I'll give you that. You might need that orange strap to make a brighter.
We'll see.
Change of plan. Back in a moment. Hang on, you bugger. Come back a bit more. Alright, go for it. Wait. On again. Sweet. On again. One more, so you do it full that way. Stop. Sweet. Just go back a bit. Hey, what? Shukran. Right. Give you that. That was good, wasn't it? Easy. Grace?
Thank you so much.
Anytime. For you.
Thank you though. Where are you from though?
England.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good.
We here at King Fahad.
Yeah, King Fahad?
Yeah, we work here.
You
So.
work there?
Yeah,
Awesome,
it's,
awesome.
man, it's good. And YouTube. This will be on
And
YouTube.
Really?
Yo, boy.
You should
This.
give your...
Me,
on my back.
Yeah.
Rory's workshop.
Okay. بالتوفيق يا حبيبي والله.
There you go. Okay, thank you. Well, there we go. Back to doing a test drive, I suppose.
Back to the test drive.
Yeah. Right, let's do a bit more and I'll see you in a sec. So, we're at the river. One of our favourite spots. He's showing me how the Saudis go through. Yeah, sure. Four-wheel drive works. Taking it wide. This one has a 3-speed, whereas Priscilla has a 4. If we buy it, I suspect Phil will want to change it to a 4. But this rides a lot better. The seats aren't standard. He does have the standard seats in it. It seems to be doing pretty good. There's our friend we just pulled out. Oh, I meant to get his name. This one doesn't have power steering. So I think if Phil does buy it, there's going to be a couple of things that we're going to change. All in all, it seems to be okay. Very nice. Right, we'll do a bit more. We've come around the corner and
Abu Bara'ana. Abu Bara.
why would you take a 2-wheel drive truck up a river like this? So Phil's going to pull it back. It'll be the same technique what we've done before. Watch this. Same again.
So the guy who's showing off
Yeah.
is
So the guy who drives that truck is a friend of his.
That's why he's trying to show off.
Yeah. It is 4-wheel drive. I've just engaged the freewheeling hub on the driver's side, but the passenger side is just spinning.
Needs more speed.
Doing it to get
1,
straight.
2, 3. Okay, stop that. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more, same again. Same again. Stop!
They always end up getting my feet wet.
دبل
كويس.
عمود خربان ما في دبل فور ويل
Yeah, just rear. Just,
نو جود
no. Land Cruiser. Very good.
فايف
Yes.
فايف Land
5?
Cruiser.
Yeah. Wow.
فايف
I love. Very good. Very good. That's ours. Maybe.
Graham, I think we're going to have a chat about the car. But it's good. I think it's a good starting point. But I think there's plenty of things that we want to do. need to do. I think Phil should drive it first.
I think I'm too big.
The driving position, the driving position is very bolt upright. It's perfect. It's fine for me because I'm not tall.
Yes, you're vertically challenged.
Yes, my friend.
So we're going to do some talking now, and I'll catch up with you a little bit. So we're negotiating.
This no. هذا no.
ما في.
حقها.
Yeah, ما في.
It's okay. No, ما في مشكلة.
خلاص.
Yeah.
هذا كرفان يبغى كرفان.
Yeah.
هذا أنا أشيل.
So we're trying to buy it. Yeah. So this has the same problem that Priscilla had, whereas this is really loose. So you lose full throttle. This is loose as well. Brakes work, engine drives quite well. 3-speed, Phil doesn't mind it. I need to find my mask. So I think for 19,000.
It works.
It works, but it needs work. What do you think, Phil?
I don't know, I'm leaving it on you.
Oh, don't leave it on me. Because I get the. I thought it'll be me who fixes it anyway.
Exactly.
It's had a new water pump. It's had a new water pump recently. Brake cylinder needs topping. What? No, it's okay.
He needs to go, I think.
Oh, okay. So I think we're going to agree to disagree. So we've done a deal. We've agreed a price. He can't complete till tomorrow.
He can't finish.
So what we're going to do is he's telling us to take the car. I don't know why. I don't care. We're going to pay him a small deposit, and he said, well, we need to go back into it because there's
Seats,
the original
wheels.
interior and 4 wheels, and I'm hoping that they're the same as Priscilla's, or Philly's anyway.
Yes.
If you want some Nissan wheels, 2007 Nissan wheels, drop a comment below.
They might be available.
They could be available soon.
For the right price.
Yeah. Or if you have an FG and you want some 2007 wheels, these do come with spacers. We will sell you for a very, very good price. So yeah, so we're going to pay him a small deposit. I'm going to get it on camera. I won't put that on YouTube because that's probably very uncouth. But it's just so if anything happens, we've got video evidence of us giving the money and him being very happy and running away.
And us not driving away at mad speeds.
Yeah.
Like this. We are buying the car, not stealing the car.
Yes. Yeah. And I think we're going to go
For a very, very fair price for him. I think.
No, yeah.
Very fair price for him.
We paid pretty well for it. But I think the first thing we should do,
Speakers out, new speakers in, new speaker wire.
sub in the boot.
Slowly.
I think we should go into Taif,
Now?
yes, and
Go
go
to
to the Toyota place
Yes.
to replace that grommet on the throttle because it's really going to grip me, and it'll change
Have
the
you
way.
checked it, have you?
Yeah.
Is it that?
There is currently a piece of hose there, like hose pipe, which has been jabbed on
I've seen worse.
and pushed. Yeah. So if I pushed through, but it's worn. Where obviously the throttle's been working, it's worn through.
It's not a bush, it's just
Whereas on mine, on Priscilla, I bought an O-ring and they had it on the shelf. It was a grommet. Wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we fitted it,
There
and
and
it
then, yeah.
changed the car immensely because you could actually
We
get
need a
full
knife.
throttle.
to fit it. Pretty sure remember we.
There's one in the glove,
Ah,
and there's one in my pocket as well.
yeah. It's not stealing the car though.
No, we're not stealing the car.
Got knives.
We need to adjust the brake pedal and get it lower because you can see from the throttle here, which is an inch and a bit maybe, to the brake pedal. That's quite a way. And the seat, it's going to be no good for Phil for now because it's bolt upright and I don't think it's too adjustable. But it does have a very good seat belt.
We can hide that.
Same as, oh yeah. But yeah, I think it's a nice car. I don't know what to put on here, but it is terribly sticky. But no, winch works, everything works. Well, you've seen that, I think, maybe. If you haven't seen it, the winch works. Oh, that's gonna bug the hell out of me. But yeah, I think it's good. I'm gonna finish this bit now. We will hand over. What's his name?
John.
To John, and then yeah, I think good thing is for us to go into town, because that's it. It'll change the car for about 20 pence. It'll change the way the car drives. Yeah, see you in a second. Oh, it's flashing. There we go. So we've had the car 20 minutes, not even that. We've driven straight to one of our Toyota places. Got the bonnet up on both of them because Phil's needs, I'll show you. Phil needs a part that I've had. So in here there should be a little grommet that sits between here and holds the shaft in one position. At the moment he's losing an awful lot of pedal movement and movement on the throttle because this rubber grommet's missing. I've got my socket set in the car so we can tighten up this bracket, but essentially we need that grommet first. And hey, it wouldn't be one of our cars if we were working on it seconds after we bought it. And whilst we're here, we'll make sure that we've got proper coolant stuff. But to be honest, I just want to get it running a little bit better because it'll make a hell of a difference. What do you reckon?
No, I don't know. Internet's rubbish in this country.
Look at my things in.
I've been on yours. It's rubbish. That's why I've gone off yours.
So yeah, he's looking. As I say, thankfully we've got mine, and mine fell off, which I hadn't noticed. So it was a good job that we checked it. But hey, we'll get there, and then I'll take it to bits and fix it hopefully. Tired now.
Home.
Yeah, I made it back perfectly fine. How was the throttle after we added that grommet? A bit better?
Can't really tell the difference now. It's just on the floor. Needs a bit of adjustment. But
We'll have a look at it later. But you passed me a fair old lick.
so I had that at 100 kilometres an hour.
On your
mine,
clocks.
yeah.
I was 115 to catch up with you. So I think I was surprised.
Yeah.
I looked at the bar, I saw you pulling out. I was like, oh yeah, oh he's good. So that's good then. We can probably sit at 100, 110.
100, actual 100 instead of indicated.
Yeah.
100 on that.
Anything immediate that you want to change, have us look at.
No.
Okay. Not obviously
No,
now.
Power steering.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't have
I'm going
power
to be
steering, and with
hedged.
fat tyres like that.
It's a bit of noise.
Yeah. Especially when you're manoeuvring around here where we park up. But, right, we'll end this one here. New FJ. We haven't got a name for it yet, have we?
Dave.
Dave.
Because it more power. Speed and power. It's called Dave.
We'll talk about that. So, welcome Dave to the Saudi collection. It's getting bigger.
Suitable.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll end this one here. We're going to go out to the desert at the weekend and we'll film that in the next episode. And we'll see what happens. I'm pleased that the winch works. We've got a winch between us.
Yeah.
But kinetic ropes.
Pulled a hell of a lot of people out today.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
Hell of a lot.
A lot more than... It seems to be... I'm going to stop going to the river because every river I go to I tend to pull people out.
Yeah.
Right, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe out there. Take care. Bye
Peace.
now.